Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most exciting products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at the best Liston Mexicano, the 12 rolls Fiesta ribbon, a vibrant and unique decorative ribbon set that is perfect for your next Mexican-themed celebration. Whether you're planning a Cinco de Mayo fiesta, Dia de los Muertos event, or a festive Mexican-themed party, these ribbons are sure to add the perfect touch to your decor. This product includes 12 3/8-inch wide rolls of Mexican Serape Grosgrain ribbons, each 5 yards long, giving you a total of 60 yards of ribbon to work with. The ribbons feature a variety of eye-catching patterns, from rainbow stripes to delightful symbols like colorful flowers, cactus, hats, and guitars, all showcasing a traditional Mexican style. The designs are bold and vibrant, ensuring they stand out at any event. The material used in these ribbons is polyester, making them soft to the touch yet durable and easy to shape. Whether you're creating bows, garlands, or other DIY crafts, these ribbons are versatile enough for all your decorative needs. The great thing about the ribbons is that the colors and patterns are printed using an excellent printing process, so they'll maintain their vivid look for a long time. Not only are these ribbons visually stunning, but they're also made to be long-lasting and tear-resistant. This means they can hold up during all kinds of projects and be reused for future occasions. They're great for crafting, sewing, and adding that final festive touch to your Mexican-inspired DIY projects. These decorative ribbons are more than just for parties. They're perfect for creating fun and colorful party favors, as well as adding accents to gift wraps and scrapbooks. The possibilities are endless, and with 60 yards in total, you'll have more than enough ribbon to cover all your projects. In conclusion, the 12 rolls Fiesta ribbon set is an essential addition to any celebration or crafting project that calls for vibrant, traditional Mexican decor. Its bright colors, unique patterns, and durability make it the best choice for anyone looking to add a festive flair to their event. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Happy crafting!